everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel BSSS Setu. I am Ritika Tiwari and in this video I'll be discussing about industries. So this is the second part of the lecture wherein we'll be discussing about the classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of size, raw material and ownership. If we talk about size, it refers to how much money has been invested in that industry, how many people are employed there, and what is the exact volume of production of goods. So we can say that if an industry is having less number of capital, production or labor, then it is a small-scale industry. And if it has more labor, more capital, heavy production, then it is a large-scale industry. Classification of industries on the basis of raw materials may be agro-based, marine-based, mineral-based and forest-based, depending on what type of raw material they are using. So agro-based industries use plant and animals as their raw materials, like vegetable oils, dairy products, leather industries, etc. Mineral-based industries use mineral ores as their raw materials, like iron is made from iron ore. This iron can be used in other industries to make heavy machinery, building materials, etc. Marine-based industries use products from sea and oceans as their raw materials, like seafoods, manufacturing fish oils, etc. Forest-based industries utilize forest produce as their raw material, like making paper, furniture, etc. The next classification is on the basis of ownership. So the industries can be classified into private sector industries, public sector industries, joint sector industries, and cooperative sector industries on the basis of ownership. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or group of individuals, like Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy Services, etc. And on the other hand, public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is an aerospace defense company owned by the Government of India. The other one is the joint sector industries. Now what is that? By the word joint, we can assume that its ownership is effectively shared between public sector agencies and a private group. And lastly, the cooperative sector industries. This is owned and operated by a collective of individuals. So we can say that it is owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials. Amul is the best example for this. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have understood the topic industries and the classification of industries. Thank you.